Hi, Donna Guest here, the Lazy Scrapbooker and Creative Memories Advisor. Look at this beautiful border featuring the Creative Memories Mandala Burst Border Punch. It's surprisingly easy and fast and looks amazing. It only takes one good border to make a fabulous page, and I've got all the measurements for you on how to create this one. Let's get started. For this border, we'll need the Creative Memories 12-inch trimmer with straight and Victorian blades. We'll need the Mandala Burst Border Punch, a tape runner, preferably repositionable with a green cartridge, and 4 coordinating pieces of paper in different colors. I'm using the Art Nouveau collection. We'll also use the custom cutting system with matte, circle patterns, and the blue blade. First, with Victorian Blade, I'm going to cut a 3-inch by 12-inch strip for the base. Then I'm going to need to trim the other side of this so that I have the Victorian edge on both sides. Now I'll switch to my straight blade and I'll cut the next layer. I'm going to use this lighter color, and this one is going to be 2.5 inches by 12. And now using my tape runner, let's go ahead and mount that. So now with my straight blade, I'm going to use this dark green for my Mandala Burst Border Punch, and I'm going to start trimming a piece that is 2 3/4 inches by 12. And now I'm going to start punching both sides of this, but I'm going to start on this side first. And if you've never used one of these border punches, definitely check out my video in the top right hand corner, and that will show you all about these. But I'm lining up the pattern over here on top of the blue. Okay, it looks great. And so now I'm going to flip it around. And what you always do with these, notice there are 2 little black dashes there. That's where I start my paper because that's where the pattern starts. So I'm going to line it up there. And it's sometimes very hard when you've got a shorter piece of paper. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip ahead to the next one, and I'm going to look and possibly use a ruler to make sure I have that tip lined up there. That looks good. And punch the other side. And so as you see, I've punched the other side, and now I'm going to line it up here and keep going. You may notice some slight variation in border width on the screen during this step compared to the measurements I'm giving. I experimented a lot to get it just right, but follow my measurements and you'll have the perfect border. Now for the inside of this, I've chosen this gold paper, and I'm going to use my custom cutting system with the circle patterns. I'm going to use the middle circle pattern and the blue blade, and I'm going to use the inside track and cut 5 of these circles. Okay, I'll take some parchment paper, and using the back side of the border I've done, I'm going to mount these golden circles on the back. And making sure I center them so that all of the holes are covered. That looks great. Now we'll take the first piece that we did, and we're going to mount this onto that. Now time to embellish. I am using the Art Nouveau laser cut embellishments. I've added a few embellishments, 1 with foam squares to give it a little height, and 4 of the pearl stickers. I usually don't add a lot of height to my pages, but this looks so good, I just had to. I hope you have fun making this border. You can do this with any of your papers and embellishments. Be sure to hit like or subscribe to see all future videos. Thanks for watching.